Introduction to the matching and function of mobile phone car keys. The example model is the Honda CRV. Please prepare your original car keys, mobile phone, mobile car key, matching device before you start. First, turn on the mobile phone car key. Press and hold the power button. The flashing light indicates successful power on. Open the mobile phone car key app to search for the connected mobile phone car key. The initial password is 123456. After the connection is successful, open the app Mobile KD that generated the device. Choose Remote Function Smart Key Remote. Find the corresponding car model. Click Generate. Then put the mobile phone car key, protruding into the induction area, placed in the sensing area of the generated device. Finally, click Wireless Generation and wait for the generation to end. Back to the home page, click IMO Programming. Click IMO Programming. Select the corresponding car model. Choose Smart Key ADB, then follow the prompts. Test whether the basic function of the mobile phone car key is normal. Function Introduction. Put your phone car key in the car. Carry your mobile phone and stand 1 meter away from the car. Automatically calibrates the switch lock distance. Put your phone in your pocket. Go far and lock the car automatically. Approach Auto Unlock. Get in the car and start with one button.